autism and milk, there's a lot of confusion around it. Lots of parents ask, milk dena hai ya nahi dena hai? Should we go casein free? Should we give dairy? Should we be dairy free? Will it have an impact on speech, on hyperactivity, on autism, or will it not? Let me break down this confusion for you and help you understand whether milk is good for your child or not. Milk has a protein called casein. It has vitamin B12 and it has calcium. Milk is extremely useful for myelin sheath, which means it is a layering on top of the nerves in the brain, which helps for neuroconnectivity, neurotransmission. And calcium, as you know, is an extremely good nutrient for reducing hyperactivity and also has a direct impact on sleep. In Ayurveda, milk is called Maha Aushadha, which means it is like a tonic, it is like a cure, it is like a remedy. It is considered to be like a brain tonic because it balances Vata dosh. I've told you this in my previous reels that normally children who have autism or speech delay or hyperactivity or are neurodiverse, they have Vata dosh. But कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है जिससे कि milk can be extremely useful for the body. Serve milk warm, not cold. Best time to give milk is actually before the night time, before the sleep, because it has calming effects. It's very useful for sleep. Something that you should not do with milk, otherwise वो toxic हो जाएगा. Do not mix milk with anything that is खट्टा, which means sour, or anything that is salty. Milk को कभी भी main meals के साथ नहीं देना है, which is why I suggested you should give it later in the night, just before the child is about to sleep. So milk is not your enemy. It is a very, very powerful resource for your focus, hyperactivity, and speech. But yes, if your child is dairy intolerant, agar usko allergy hai milk se, then of course you'll have to avoid it, and maybe then you can try nut milk or coconut milk. If you need to know how to make this milk extremely useful for calming hyperactivity, you can comment yes below. We will send it to you in your messages. Do not forget to share this reel with people जिनके बच्चों को milk पसंद है or children who are not taking milk because of this confusion.